Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes, I visualize what will come and what is past. But Mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know I've got nothing to lose, but my soul keeps shining. They say that I'm misguided, but I wanna make this move. I guess that you could say that I woke up with this melody in my head. Shot out of bed 'cause I got something to prove. So when I say, Mama, turn the light on, understand just what I mean. When I'm asleep I will dream, and when I wake you will see that even as I lie here, thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah. Waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. I realize that the world outside is just a metaphor for these eyes. And even if they out to criticize, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. I realize that I'm waking up. Now my mind is flooded
I'm moving out.
I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river.
Should I just leave it natural? Doesn't even look that bad. Wait, it actually looks pretty good. Alright guys, good morning. Don't mind my mouth. I just got my wisdom teeth out on Friday and today is Tuesday and I'm still in quite a lot of pain. It doesn't hurt to talk, but like once I do start talking, my mouth kind of gets sore. So, and it's like really hard to smile and stuff. Just ignore that. I know I look really weird, but I make content, so this is what we're doing. Anyways, so I wanted to do like a little morning in my life. I am not working at all this week because of my wisdom teeth. I told you guys in my last video, I ended up quitting my job and I start up my new one next week. So I kind of have this whole week off because I didn't really know how I was going to be doing, and obviously like I don't think I'd be able to work right now because I would just be risking like hurting myself. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. Let me just insert some pictures here of the day that I got them out because they're actually really funny. And I don't remember anything that happened, to be quite honest, until like 6 hours after. A couple people wanted me to like film everything and make a video out of it, but let me tell you guys, I would have not known how to like work my camera. I don't even know how I worked my phone, to be honest with you. It was really bad. I was out for a long time. So I don't think I could have done it. Anyways, I wanted to share a little morning in my life. I have a couple things, well not a couple, I have a lot of things to do today actually. So I need to make a to-do list, and then I actually have a nail appointment at 1:30, which I'm so excited about. I wasn't able to get my nails done for my last job because it was like against health code or whatever, but they said they didn't care if I got them done at this next job, so I'm really excited. I'm not gonna get them like super long or anything. I don't want them to break and stuff, but I am ready for a little bit of something on my nails. I did paint them. They look kind of gross now, but I did paint them this pink color. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have some YouTube stuff to do, and lots of school stuff because I'm gonna try to get ahead of everything because I'm trying to film 2 videos on Thursday. I'm just really trying to like get ahead while I can while I have this whole week off. We're gonna kind of grind out everything today and then I have to edit my video for tomorrow. We have lots going on. So I need to make a to-do list, and I was gonna do my hair, but I actually think that it looks fine. Like it never looks okay when it's air dried, but I slept on it and I think it looks pretty cute, so I'm just gonna leave it. Also, did you guys see me freak out when I found a box elder bug on my jewelry holder? Because that was actually terrifying. I hate bugs so much. Oh my god, I'm so dramatic. Okay, let's go ahead and make a to-do list. I'm very chatty today and it's starting to hurt my mouth, so alright, this is what the to-do list looks like for this morning. So I have some things to do for my marketing class, sociology, Spanish, and then the bottom is all YouTube stuff. I have to do something for a sponsorship. I have to edit tomorrow's video and take a thumbnail for today's video. I don't know how much of this I'm actually going to get done before 1:30, or before I have to leave, probably at 1. So we'll see how far we get, but I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna try to make something. I'm actually probably just gonna have yogurt, or maybe I'll try to make eggs or something. But yeah, I'm kind of limited with my options because although it has been like 4 days, it's still hard for me to chew and I'm still in a lot of pain, so I can't have anything super hard. I still have to stick to soft foods pretty much, so I'm gonna figure that out. And I'm actually gonna make some coffee. I forgot I was gonna make some coffee. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So I just finished eating breakfast. I had my yogurt and watched a video while I was doing that. So now I just have my coffee to drink and I'm gonna start on my to-do list. I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you. I don't feel like doing any of this. My face hurts. Just a morning in my life. This is the reality of it after getting my wisdom teeth out. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to film my collab portion of my video because I have to have it for tomorrow's video. Yeah, I just need to get that over with so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on. Not a lot. I can pretty much only do mascara because it's like hard. If I like use my beauty blender on my cheeks, it would probably hurt really bad. So I'm gonna put some makeup on, film that portion, and then we will start with the actual to-do list for today. Yeah, it's only 9 o'clock, so we still got lots of time. Alright guys, I'm laying in my bed because my mouth was hurting so bad and I had to put heat on it. For some reason they aren't letting me use ice after the first day, so I've had to heat it for like 10 minutes. So I just have a heating pad here and I was like putting it on my cheeks and it feels a little bit better, so I'm hoping it lasts, but probably not. It's kind of been up and down a lot. But anyways, I'm so excited. I can't even smile because it freaking hurts. But so me and Cam actually went and toured apartments yesterday over in Big Rapids, which is where our college is, because we live like an hour away. I got into my clinical and I'm gonna have to be at school next year, so whether it's online or not. We were thinking about getting an apartment and we were looking and we found this one apartment. I wish I would have vlogged it. I was going to film, but it was just like awkward because it's literally just me, Cameron, and the person giving the tour, and I just didn't want to like be awkward or make it awkward. So I didn't film anything, but we looked at a 1-bedroom, which was so nice. Like, the countertops are like granite. It has all the appliances, has a dishwasher, has laundry inside the unit. Like, it's so nice. It's kind of expensive, but I don't know, in my opinion it's worth it, and it's the same amount you'd be paying for a dorm, plus you get a kitchen and all the stuff you don't get in a dorm. So anyways, we looked at that one, and then we looked at a 2-bedroom, and this one was cheaper, but you could tell it was like not as good because it was not updated. Like, you could tell they kind of just took shortcuts, and it was just really gross. I don't know, I don't want to be like picky, but it was not a nice apartment at all, and it looked really sketchy. So we knew right away we wanted to do the application for the 1-bedroom, and so we filled that out yesterday, and they only had 3 1-bedrooms left, so we had to like hurry up and do it and hope that we got approved for it. So yeah, we both did that yesterday, and we signed the lease last night, and we just got approved for the lease. I literally just got the email saying we got approved, so I'm so excited. Like, I'm literally so excited. This is what I've been wanting for so long. Yeah, really exciting news, and I cannot wait. Obviously we don't move until August of this upcoming school year. I'm so happy and just really grateful for everything, so just thought I'd let you guys know. My face is starting to hurt again, so. But yeah, I filmed my dossier collab thing, and now I really haven't done any homework yet, but I was in a lot of pain, so I needed to rest for a little bit. I'm gonna try to do some stuff. I might have to sit in my bed because it's just a lot more comfortable. Alright guys, it's a little bit later. It is 11:15, and I just finished my assignment for marketing. We have to do like this module thing where we have to complete a bunch of modules and just learn the content for the chapter. So I just finished that. That's probably what would take me the longest today, so I'm glad I got that out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my Spanish. We have our super site, so I have 13 activities for tomorrow, I guess, but I'm gonna do it today because I have time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this now, and it's probably gonna be a bunch of videos I have to watch, so let's see. Oh, we got our vocab. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these assignments, and then I will update you guys after. Okay, a little bit later, I just finished all my Spanish. That took me a while because I had to watch like a short film or whatever, because we usually discuss them in class over Zoom. So I had to watch that. It was like 20 minutes long, and answer questions and everything. So I finished that. I'm gonna cross off a few things. So finished that, just did that, and then I took my thumbnail earlier. So all I have to do is my notes and my discussion board. So I think I'm gonna do my discussion board right now, and then I can do my notes and edit tomorrow's video tonight. So I'm not gonna really focus on that because it's already 12:30 and I have my appointment at 1:30, so I need to leave soon. I'm just gonna do my discussion board before I leave and then call it good. Hi guys, it is way later, and I just wanted to end today's video. So I just got back from getting my nails done. This is what they look like. Super cute. I did it like Easter theme kind of, I guess, I don't know, but just very spring. I love that. It feels so nice having nails again. I haven't had them in so long. But yeah, I wanted to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning in my life and how my mornings kind of go. Sometimes I'll go to the gym, but obviously I can't go right now just because of my wisdom teeth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.